Hi everyone, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I have an unboxing for the D-Stash for ya. Hello, I am doing a quick unboxing while the little guy is in the shower. You know, Todd. So, this is the third kit of my unboxing from Monday that I'm de-stashing. If you're interested in it, make me an offer plus shipping. No reasonable offer is refused. This is the Mandela. I have got so many. I just don't know how I'm going to do them all. And there'll always be cute and fun designs coming out. So, and I know people say the glue stays for a long time, but I'm just afraid of it aging and then it's not sticky anymore. Has anyone had that problem? You've pulled out an old kit and they're just not sticky anymore? Well, that's what I don't want to happen. So this one only has 11 colors. Oh my gosh, I thought it had a lot more than that. Wow. I guess I've never opened it. Here's the toolkit. I'm actually excited to see this one with 11 colors. Wow. Look at that. And this is the correct way that it goes. With it being a mandala though, you could do it either way. This is a 16 by 20 with 11 colors. And this was an older kit, so it doesn't have the DMC on the side of the grid, you can see. Make Market has started putting the DMCs on the side. Did I tell you it has 11 colors? A lot of white. Oh, I mean, white goes everywhere. All the Ks are white. In here, over here. It's in between all the pretty designs. It's white. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags of white. And I don't see any black. I think this is like a navy blue. And then you got like a navy blue and 2 bags of brown, one of the pretty blue, which is going to go in here. Yellow, red, gray, tan. I think, yeah, this is going to be simple. But it will be fun. If you like a burst of color, this is a burst of color. It has 11 different colors, but 10 bags of white. You like white? I do like this. And I don't think it would take too long to do. Yeah, it has its confetti, which means you'll be changing colors a lot in one section, but I think it's going to go fast. This would be good for a beginner. Remember, I've always said you can do any one. Just break up your projects into squares. Use your release paper and just work on that section and don't look at the rest so you don't get overwhelmed. Just take your time. It's not a race unless you're involved in a race. This is nice. So 16 by 20. Let me show you what it looks like when I hold it up. Remember, it's a mandala, so we can go any way. Look at that yellow. This is going to be stunning. Now with Make Market, the number, where the number is, that's the bottom. So it's meant to go this way. Beautiful. So make me an offer and email me at pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. So this retailed at $24.99 at Michael's. I think I got like 30% off of it when I bought it. So make me an offer plus shipping and let us know. And because you're paying shipping, you could be from anywhere. If you're from Australia, you'll pay shipping. If you're from the UK, you'll pay shipping. If you're from Canada, you'll pay shipping. If you're within the United States, you'll pay shipping. So, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. I can't wait to hear from you. Have a wonderful day. Go pamper yourself and buy a mandala. All right. Be kind because you don't know who you're going to meet. Bye.